Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about WazirX. This is the big news, big update about WazirX. But before starting this video, before share more updates about WazirX, I wanted to subscribe my channel. I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the currently latest price of WazirX in the market is 0.9700000003 USD dollar. Oh my goodness. WazirX is also a low price cryptocurrencies in the market. Let me show you 24 hours volume changes. Oh my god, that is the big news for all WazirX holders. That is a shocked news for everybody that in the last hour, you can see here in a previous time the WazirX taken a huge pump. So that is why that is a shocking news for everybody that after a huge pump the price start pumping. Oh my god, the last 1 hour changes is negative 2.66% decrease. The last 24 hours changes is negative 8.46% decrease. So my friends, now from the yesterday the price of the WazirX is going down, but that's not mean then you decide to sell. No my friends, no, never decide to sell. Just hold it my friends, just hold it. Absolutely, if you hold, so you get profit, not loss. WazirX is not a bad coin. You can see here, if you look the price chart, so from the last 7 days you can see WazirX price start pumping. You can see here gradually the price of the WazirX is increasing. But my friends, you know what, that is a temporary phase. A lot of people don't understand the price chart. Now this time the price falls down, pump, price falls down, pump. So my friends, gradually I know that gradually the price of the WazirX falls down, but I hope that is a temporary phase. After 1 day, after 2 days fast, the price will again pump. Again the price of the WazirX will explode and they give you a profit, not a loss. So personally, I recommend for everybody to please invest now more and more in the WazirX. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about WazirX? Please also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.